Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the area and softening the adhesive. Clean the helmet with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry so dirt doesn't scratch the finish. Once done, warm the logo with a hairdryer or heat gun on low, keeping about 6 to 8 inches away to prevent paint warping. Focus heat for 30-60 seconds until the edges loosen. Make sure to test a small corner first so you know the adhesive is soft, but the paint remains intact. Next, you remove the logo by gently lifting and peeling. Slide dental floss or a plastic scraper under an edge and use a sawing motion, or lift with a fingernail if possible. Keep applying heat as you peel and pull at a low angle to avoid delamination of the helmet shell. Go slowly. If resistance increases, reheat and continue. After the decal is off, treat leftover adhesive with an adhesive remover or 70% isopropyl alcohol, rubbing gently until the surface is clean. Finally, you finish and protect the helmet surface. Wash the cleaned area with mild soap and water, rinse and dry completely. If the finish looks dull or micro-scratched, apply a light coat of automotive wax or a clear coat touch-up following manufacturer instructions to restore gloss. Make sure to inspect seals and vents to confirm no adhesive remains. If paint or shell material starts peeling or you see structural damage, stop immediately and consult a professional repair shop for safe restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.